everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to get straight into this. So there's a trend going about at the moment with YouTubers doing other YouTubers makeup looks. I thought that I would give it a go, so I was thinking, whose makeup would I love to do? I thought I would do Zoe Sugg, or known as Zoella, on you know, social media. I would do her makeup look, and she actually only uploaded one 3 weeks ago. Who doesn't even love Zoella? Like, she is just like the queen of like YouTube. Just amazing to look up to, so inspirational. I see what she uses to what I can use, because obviously she can afford a lot more high brands, as where I can't. I can't do that because we all know I'm a student. Yes, I'm in my last year, but it's hard, especially when you're paying a house as well. But anyway, let's get to it.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing my everyday winter makeup. There's nothing that's too different from normal, although I am using some slightly different products which I thought would be nice to share with you. And also, I've been really loving a more pinky nude lip.
I like it. Let's put up her hair. So, I'm not putting up my hair. I like to grip it back. I have a huge potato head. I'm very sorry, you're just going to have to deal with it. Primer.
SOS primer. Boost.
She's using a Clarins primer. I only have, at the moment, I only have tiny ones. She's using Clarins, and the only Clarins thing I actually have is this gel fondant. Oh, this is soft. It's only a tiny one. I can't remember how I got this. Just like a moisturiser. She's using a primer, and I do love this little number 7. This is the Airbrush Away primer. I actually got this for Christmas. I'm really loving this. I do want the full version. So, I assume she's putting it everywhere. I'm speeding ahead.
Radiance. I don't often use primers, but
no, same.
Something that's going to boost my radiance at this time of year.
Yeah.
Is something that I am interested in.
Yeah, I'm interested in that too.
Foundation-wise, I have been using the Fenty Beauty and my Bare Minerals NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Mont Blanc.
Well, she's not using a beauty blender like everyone uses.
I might use this one. This is the Real Techniques brush.
Now she's just plopping it on everywhere. I'm going to use, foundation wise, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Normal to Oily in 105. My trusty old e.l.f. small stippling brush. She's just doing sweepy motions. Right, I'm going to pop it on the back of my... No, you know what? Right, can I see myself? Should be able to. You can see my head from a mile away. Right, I'm just going to do this. Ooh, this feels nice with the primer on underneath. See, I'm like Zoe, I don't really use primers. I'm always in a rush and I'm like... So she's just sweeping it in, but because I'm using a stippling brush... See, this video is not going to be like hers, is it? Everyone else's have all got like the same products. I don't. I was like, look, oh my god, I was just going to look at it. I think it was my mirror. So she's using a Kylie Jenner concealer. I don't have that, so I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection one. Up to 16 hour wear. I actually really love this. Where does she splodge it?
It's quite a good match
here
for my skin. So I'm just slapping it on like tribal paint.
I feel ya.
Not how you do concealer.
Well,
typically.
On here,
I'm going to use this Bare...
On here. She's going to use a Bare Minerals brush. I'm going to cover these because these are just annoying. Right, I'm going to slap it on too. We'll just slap it on wherever. Cool.
Minerals brush to blend that.
Blending it all in.
Ones look so great, and they offer really great coverage as well, but I just can't get on with a stick.
I don't think I've ever tried a stick concealer.
What are your thoughts? Let me know.
Truthfully, I've never... I have used stick concealer. Yes, I have. I lie. I'm very sorry. I actually do have a number 7 stick concealer. The stick concealer is a bit... I do agree, stick concealers are quite drying. It's not for me.
A tiny bit of the Collection Lasting Perfection right.
Hey!
I'm addicted to this stuff. I can't
Same.
Not use
Where's
it.
she using it now?
Weird. I feel like
right
until
in here.
I put this on, even if I have my foundation done and other concealers on,
yes,
I just don't feel like it's I don't know, I just don't feel like my eyes are as bright as they could look.
I agree.
When I have this on.
I agree.
Speaking of collection lasting perfection, I actually believe they're getting more shades of this.
Oh really?
Which is great. Very great. Now that I've done like all the liquid, I do like to do a little bit of the Bare Minerals on top as a bit of like a setting powder. It is technically a foundation. And in summer, I actually wore this just on top of concealer, which I really, really enjoyed.
Oh, I do like doing that in the summer.
I prefer to kind of set it a little bit with a tiny bit of this. I'm going to use this beautiful Spectrum brush.
That is beautiful.
Blend it in.
I'm going to use my trusty old MUA or MUA translucent powder because I don't have actually any foundation powder. I actually did used to, but I just got rid of it because it was getting to the point where it's like, please just get rid of me. So I'm just going to use, I'm going to use just a fluffy brush, which is just off eBay, and where does she put it? I'm just doing it anyway. Yep, same.
Next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of bronzer. I am using...
Right, I don't use bronzer. I know that we're doing a video where I'm copying off somebody else, but the thing is, because I don't do bronzer, I don't earn any bronzer. Use contour. I'll just contour.
This Marc Jacobs bronzer.
That is a pretty bronzer though.
In 104. Now I'm going to use this lightly because I think this is probably for summer when you actually have a tan, because it is quite dark. But I really like it. I like that it has like a bit of warmth to it, so it feels a bit more natural and it's matte.
I'll be using my Unicorn Cosmetics brush, and then the contour I'll be using, surprise surprise, is the Revolution one. So it's the contour, the highlight, and then the blush, which I just think is really, really good. And the contour, I'm almost hitting pan. I love saying that word. She said that she's doing it lightly, so I'll do it very lightly, especially with the way my skin's going right now. Gosh, that's very light.
And the brush I'm using for this is a Kylie Jenner brush, a little bit at first, but I found that the more I've used them, the less it's done that, so.
I realised, I started looking, and you can see my Shawn Mendes box. I'm very, very sorry. So hopefully, can we still see like what's going on here? I don't know. I really do need a tripod. I really, really do need a tripod. I'm using like a blush slash highlight. So what I'm going to do is also use a Makeup Revolution. See, what was the point of me even doing this? Because I don't have any of the same products as her apart from the collection. I'm going to go in with my very tatty Revolution Ultra Plurk palette, and I'm going to go in with this pink because she went for a pink, so I'll go for a pink with the same brush. It's more of a this is more of a highlight. That's more of like a subtle like blush with a bit of shimmer in it, but this is like a highlight, so.
Finished with that. I'm now going to move on to...
Cool. Where are we going?
Eyes and eyebrows.
Eyes and eyebrows.
I'm going to start with a primer. If I'm in a rush, I don't tend to do this.
No,
but
same.
if I need a little bit more. I'm going to zoom you in a bit now because we're going to be all up here. I have 3 products here.
Does that mean I have to zoom you in as well? Can we zoom in? We can zoom in. Wrong way. Hello. That's just so bad. I feel like I do need a tripod there. I've got such a big fat potato head, that's so funny.
I'm going to use my eyebrows. One is the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow.
I don't even have that!
Product that I always kind of flip in and out of using. The Spectrum A17 brush, which is just a
I don't have that
brush, which is perfect for eyebrows. And then the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter.
I don't even have that.
Don't go anywhere without that.
What's the point of even doing this video, Becca? I'm going to be using this one. This is the Rimmel London Brow This Way Brow Sculpting Kit. So I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner. This is actually for eyeliner, but they're all angled brushes. They're all the same. Me and Zoe don't really have like the same eyebrows. She has like better eyebrows than me.
And I just dip my brush
I'm just going to go
in it.
what I normally do.
Tap it on It's the closest I've come to painting since sixth form, actually.
Oh my god, yeah.
It's like painting in your brows. Right.
That is true.
I do have a couple of gaps. This one is much better. This one is far more gappy. So I really just use it to fill in any gaps.
Yeah. I feel like you always have that better brow. I feel like this brow always goes a little bit better than this one. This one always goes thicker, and I don't know. This one grows thicker as well, actually, compared to this one. It's just one of those things. Which is your best brow? Like, let me know in the comments.
All I See is Magic shadow palette. I've already gotten dirty. I'm very sad about that. It's cardboard, so
that's so pretty. I don't have that.
Light peach and this very.
See, I don't have. What is the point of me doing this video if I don't have any of the stuff, man? I've come across my Freedom palette. It's very battered. It's very scratched. I love it though. Ooh, look at all them pretty colours. So she's using a white, a peach.
Light, these very light colours here.
Light
I'm going to make the eye very subtle. I'm going to start with this very light kind of peach.
A light peach colour. I'm going to, okay, a light peach colour. So I'm going to go in with this one here.
My eyelid.
Cool, cool. We'll use this little brush. This is just from eBay.
Like whack this on.
Cool. We like whacking things on.
That is all over the eyelid. Now.
Oh, 1 minute. Whoa, wait. Oh, hey. All over the eyelid. All over the eyelid.
I am going to take this like very pretty peachy colour, which has a tiny bit of shimmer on it.
A tiny bit of shimmer, peachy, pinky. We've got a rose goldie. We need something sort of the same. I'm going to go with this one. Please tell me that you can see it because I'm zoomed in. I'm just going to use the same brush. Does Zoe use the same brush?
Which I quite like. And I'm just going to...
I assume.
Again, just go all in.
Whack it everywhere. I love it.
Section brush. This is the A12.
A tiny brush.
I'm going to use that same like peachy colour and just go a little bit under the eye.
A little bit under the eye. Camera does this thing where, because I'm still only very used to it and it's still very new, it does this thing where it like shuts off after only 25 minutes of filming. So it's really annoying. But anyway, I have got a new liquid liner, and this is the Collection Fast Stroke Eyeliner. I've only used it once and I actually like it. It's very, very nice. So Zoe's done a very subtle flick. Can I do a subtle flick? Of course I can, I think.
A kitten liner.
I'm using this
paraben
one.
free and long wear.
Cool.
It's now time for mascara.
Oh, we're using the same one.
It might be no surprise to you that I am using the Smith & Colt Lash Dance Mascara.
No. No, we're not. I thought she would use one what I always use as well, which she uses in other videos, and it's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this mascara. It makes my lashes like... Yes, that'll do. That'll do. Lips.
I have two options for a pinky nude.
She's got a Kate Moss one.
I've got my trusty Rimmel Kate Moss in 38.
Yes.
And then I have this one,
38.
edition,
I don't have that.
Collection. And it is the Marc Jacobs Sonic Truth. And I think this is the first tutorial for a while where I've not used a liquid lipstick.
Same actually.
I might go for the Marc Jacobs actually. They're very similar in colour, but...
Damn it! I'm going to go with the Kate Moss one. Zoe said that she's using 38, but I'm going to be using number 3. My camera just died and now I'm going to have to, I'm switching from camera to phone camera. I'm very, very sorry. That's quite annoying. I thought it was all charged up. I guess you just wax it on. Yes. I love this that much. Kind of like running out. I really, really like this look, and I thank Zoe for doing this look, and I thank that I didn't follow anybody else because, yeah, it would have been a disaster.
That is so lovely and creamy.
Oh, so
and that is essentially everything I've been doing over the past couple of weeks really.
I am going out a little bit later on tonight, and it's just really lovely. Like, you can wear it in the daytime, going out in the evening. Well done, Zoe. Thanks. I'm so glad that I've filmed this little look. But thanks, Zoe, for filming the look, and thanks for making it your everyday winter look at the moment. And the fact that she hasn't done a very dark lip, because we all know that Zoe's very lovely at doing hair, dark lips, red lips. But just a nice nudie pink lip. I love this. It's super soft, super creamy. It like nourishes the lips. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. It'll be much super duperly muchly appreciated. I've never thought I'd ever say those words in my life. See you again on Wednesday with another video. Also, if you haven't already, which you probably already will have, I'll leave the video to Zoe's winter makeup look in the description box down below. But everyone's probably already seen it because she's just amazing. So, but anyway, yes, I'll see you again on Wednesday with another video. I love you loads. Bye.